guys, it's your girl Michaela and it is so dark. Okay, today I'm going to be playing with this slime I got in a package from my best friend Mariah. She actually made slime and bring it to me, and so this is what the slime is. I'm just going to be telling you a little bit about what she did and how she made it. And she told me that it's really easy to make. So, that's it, the slime. It looks really fun. It's really fun. Sorry, not hearing it. Carpet. So, if you want to try and make this kind of slime, she got liquid detergent, liquid detergent, glue, something to mix with, and something to mix in. And so she just put the glue in, and then she put the laundry detergent. And after that, she just stirred it, and she put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes, I'd say about 4, I think she said, and it becomes slime. Yeah, but this is slime. It's so fun. I just wanna. Yeah, but that's if you want to make the slime. And the slime is glittery and it's like a bluish color. Yeah, it's where the light's at. Sorry, it's so ugly. Okay, yeah, but it's like a light blue and it has glitter. I don't know if you can see the glitter. Show it in the light. But there's glitter in there. And she did it with clear glue. So then she glitter and food coloring is optional. She did like a light blue, and she did clear glue with some little silver glitter. Yeah, but as you can tell, this is really fun to play with. I wish y'all were at my house right now playing with the slime, but there probably wouldn't be enough for everyone, even though I only have a few subscribers. So then she sent a little bit of laundry detergent in this bag. So if it it's just super rubbery, and it's just breaking apart and won't come together, you could just use some of that. Yeah. Ah! Okay, but yeah, that was my cool slime that I got from my best friend Mariah. She's so nice. I don't have a YouTube channel, but she has a Musical.ly, and her Musical.ly name is Dixdy Mariah. It's DXDDY_, then Mariah MARIYAH. Yeah, if you want to go follow her on Musical.ly, she's my best friend. So yeah, as you can tell right there, It's showing Andy Mac on TV. You should go watch that show if you watch Disney Channel. I'm still a kid, okay? I watch Disney Channel. Okay, yep. That was me playing with my new slime that my friend Mariah made me. So, yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!